welcome back everybody. Okay, today we're going to be making some homemade rum raisin ice cream. Very simple recipe. It's 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, whole milk. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of rum extract and also 1 cup of raisin. That's all it is. If you have an ice cream maker, it's perfect. All right. I'm not going to put any notes in the description because it's a very simple recipe and it takes two to prepare. All right, what I'm going to do, 1 cup of heavy cream. All right. And I don't have my milk. Be right back, everybody. Give me 1 second. Okay, 1 cup of whole milk. Okay, now I have 2 teaspoons of rum extract. Okay. Now, I have to get my sugar. So, as soon as I get my sugar prepared, I shall return. I'll be honest with you people. I'm so sorry. I forgot how much sugar. It's only 3/4 cups of sugar, and I had to find a measuring cup for it. But I found it. And you just put sugar in. Okay. And all you're going to do is just give it a good mix. You want to try to dissolve as much sugar as you can. All right, because once you start to pour, it's going to just settle to the bottom. You don't want that to happen. So you want it all incorporated. All right. I'm going to put 1 cup of raisin in, but the 1 cup of raisin is going to come when the ice cream starts to set up. Because if you put it in now, it's all going to go directly to the bottom. You don't want that to happen. You want it all to the ice cream. All right. But this rum raisin is really good. Very simple. All right, so I shall return when I pour it back into the mold. Oh, everybody, welcome back. Okay, I got it nicely mixed up really, really good. But if you also want to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, go right ahead. I just use a regular whisk. Okay, so basically, this container here has been in the freezer. So I put it in the freezer to keep it chilled. Anything you're doing with ice cream, chill it. Even the bowl that you mix it in. I ran it under very cold water. All right, so I was ready to use it. Now, I don't know if I know I mentioned in one of my videos, or my ice cream videos, that this machine, it's a Cuisinart, really good machine. Has its own built-in refrigeration system on it, freezer system on it, and it works really, really good making ice cream. All right, so I'm going to attach the motor. All right, she's ready. Now I'm going to just turn it on. Remember the old commercial? Set it and forget it. And I'll be right back when I'm going to add the raisins. All right, hey, welcome back everybody. All right, rum raisin. But I did, it's a slight little mistake. The ingredients that I told you, times it by 2. All right, everything is going to be doubled to make a double batch. All right, so like 1 cup of raisin, 2 cups of raisin. Very small, minor mistake, but now it's starting to set up, and I'm gonna start adding my raisins in. And it all mixed in now very well. Going to incorporate itself. And I want raisins all through my rum raisin. That's why it's called rum raisin. All right, so I shall return when the ice cream is done. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, the ice cream is basically done right now. So basically, we're gonna stop it. All right, so we're gonna have a little background noise, but that's okay. All right, so the rum raisin is basically done. Okay, I'm gonna take this over near the kitchen sink. Right, boom, here we go. All right, there we go. Very nice, very nice. All right. Remember, this is rum raisin. Trying to get it all out. Ooh, this is cold. All right. Remember, the ingredients will be, I'll put it in the description, what you should do. All right. Trying to get all the goodness out. All right, now I gotta get the out of the tool here. Yeah, this is the hardest job right here. Removing from the paddle. Keep losing a whole lot of it. All right. Right, so that's gonna be enough there. Right. So you can double up on the recipe here on this rum raisin or any other recipes that I have. Double up. It will fill this whole container up here. All right, so. All right, because the recipe consists of, for the regular serving is 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3-4 cups of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of rum extract. All right, so without further ado, let me get a little taste here. All right, let's get a little taste here. Rum raisin, and it's delicious. What can I tell you? It's rum, sugar, heavy cream, and milk. It's delicious. So, once again, subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up. God bless you, and everybody have a happy Easter. Bye-bye.